Hello children, welcome to the English grammar session. Today's topic is lesson 4, naming words. Naming words are the names. So let's start the reading of this story. Through this we will understand the naming words. Mother brought some bread from the bakery. She kept it outside for the cat. But a crow saw it and carried it away. Now, what we understand from this? The words mother, bread, bakery, cat, and crow are naming words which are written in bold. Again, I am repeating mother, bread, bakery, cat, and crow is written in bold, and these all are naming words. The word mother names a person. The word cat names a animal. The word crow names a bird. The word bakery names a place. The word bread names a things. So from these 5 words, we will understand the naming words. First, mother is the name of a person. Cat is the name of a animal. Crow is the name of a bird. Bakery is the name of a place. And bread is the name of a thing. So, naming words are names of person, animal, bird, place, and things. Again, I am repeating, naming words are names of person, animals, birds, place, or things. The words which denote any particular person, animal, bird, place, or things is called naming words. Slowly we will understand through these examples, children. This is page number 6. Other examples of naming words are persons के name जो होते हैं naming words, they are brother, uncle, nephew, cousins, teachers, postman, doctor, carpenter. They all are persons. Now, animals or birds, cow, horse, kangaroo, elephant, giraffe, eagle, parrot, owl, peacock, pigeon, many more. These all are animals and birds. This is the naming words of animals and birds. Now, places, school, house, shop, forest, kitchen, these all are the name of places. But if you say Ram's house, that is not naming word, it is a particular name, so it is noun. Yeah, it is a name, but it is a particular. But here we can't understand from this whose school, whose house. It is not particular. So the names which is give us view of a place is called play naming words. Things. Shop, soap, watch, knife, bat, picture, tomato, mango, milk, chair, camera. These all things are make us aware about the things. After listening soap, we understand that this is a thing. Camera, chair, yes, everything is a thing. They are not person, animal, or place. So, these naming words are called denotes things. Now, move to the seventh number page. Underline the naming words, written them in proper column. Underline the naming words, write them in the proper column. So what we have to do here? We have to underline the naming word and then we will write it in proper column. Here in the down there is a column. We have to write the names in that column after underline. So see here children, there is 4 options: person, animal or bird, place and things. So we have to divide the names of person, animal or birds, place and things in the 4 columns. So see, let's see. A small boy throws stones into the lake. Here, how many naming words are there. Boy, leg, stone. Boy, leg, and stone. Three naming words. Boy is person, leg is place, stone is thing. Now number 2, the king and the queen went to the forest on their white horse. King is person's name, queen is also person's name, forest is place, and horse is animal. So there is also 3 different naming words: animal, place, and animal, place, and person. Uncle lived in a small village. He had many sheep. They gave him wool. He also had many cows. They gave him milk. Uncle is person's naming word. Village is place's naming word. Sheep is animal's naming word. Wool is thing's naming word. Cow is animal's naming word, and milk is things naming word. So here also you get many different type of naming word. Now number 4, sorry. Grandmother has a dog. It lives in a kennel. It eats bread. Grandmother, person, dog, animal, kennel, the place of living of dog, bread, thing. There was a mouse. It had 7 tails. It went to a school to study. Everybody loved to see it. Mouse, animal's naming word. Tails, body part, so it is a thing. School, the name of the place. And everybody is also the name of a person. So we'll write here the words. I'll send you, you try your own by pencil. I'll send you the picture answer key of the same. You will write through, see the page, but first you understand. Underline the naming word in this story. Again, underline, and we will underline only this story, small stories. There is 3 stories, page number 7. Last, number 1 story is the old man had a very long beard. 2 owls, 3 pigeons, 1 dove, and 2 sparrows had all made nest in it. So, very nice story. Old man, man is naming word. Now, owl is animal's naming word. Pigeon is also naming word of bird. Dove is naming word of bird. Sparrow is also, nest is the place. So you will write through it my instructions, or you can see the picture and tick. A sparrow lived in a nest on a tree in the garden of our house. When we ate our food, we sat in the window of our kitchen. We gave her rice and bread to eat. So children, so many naming words: sparrow, bird, nest, the place, tree is also place, garden is also place, house is also a place. Now, window, yes, window is also a place, kitchen also a place. We gave her rice, think, bread, think. So these all are naming words. Underline the same. A bear lived in a jungle near the hills. He had no brother and sister, but he had a friend. His friend was a monkey. The bear loved to eat honey. The monkey was fond of the peanuts. Bear is the name of animal. Jungle is the name of place. Hills is the name of place. Brother is the name of person. Sister is also the name of person. Friend is also name of the person. Same friend is here. Monkey is the name of an animal. Bear is the name of an animal. Honey is the name of thing. Monkey is the name of animal again. And peanuts is also the name of a thing. So underline that words. Now number D. Complete the story by filling in the blanks with suitable naming words. Take words from the box below. Again, complete the story by filling the blanks with suitable naming words. Already we have box of naming words here. We have the options here. We have to put here only. Alice was a young what? Girl. One day she had a dream. In the dream, a white what? Rabbit came running to her. He was wearing a waistcoat and carrying a what? Watch. He passed by Alice and went into a rabbit hole. And who followed him? Alice followed him. Soon she came to a door, but it was locked. Children, see the images of answer key and write it, or you can write through my video also. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in Google Classroom. Bye bye, kids.